my own records, you know what I'm saying?
The city is mine.
I got my own record label called Written Entertainment. And I feel like that's why we have such a bond and such a connection, right? Because, like, I write about real life shit, you know what I'm saying? Because, like, at the end of the day, we all go through the same shit anyway, you feel me? So I gotta ask y'all a question, right? Is there anybody out there that's ever been in any kind of relationship where you feel like you're giving so much of your heart, your soul, your time, your mind, your money, right? It's like you give up the good, and your good is great. And it's like you just steady trying to be the person that they love, right? But they still be on that bullshit. It's like you want to get up in their face and just be like, stop, right? So I want y'all to feel me, right? Because I've been betrayed before. You know what I'm saying? 20 years ago. It's been a long, long time. Publicly. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to make sure that y'all really feel me and understand where I'm coming from. Written Entertainment. Oh my God. Everything that I gave and all the love that we made never should have took place. I gave you my heart, you betrayed, and I know should have let you go. 'Cause I'm back with my ways before. Put them hands up. All my ladies, all my fellas. If you ever had to overcome any kind of obstacle, put one hand in the air right now. If you ever had to come through some kind of struggle, some kind of pain, you here tonight. So that means you made it through. DC, let's make it break. Looking in the mirror at this woman down in there. She's eternally dying and know this was not what love's about. Don't wanna be this woman the second time over. 'Cause I'm breaking, I'm screaming, no longer believing that I'm gonna feel right. And over and over I try you know, and over and over you lie, and over and over I cry. Hold on, yeah. Over and over I try, over and over you lie, over and over I said I don't wanna live, I don't wanna be till it's just rain on me. Said I don't wanna live, I don't wanna be. I'm so tired of the rain in my life. I'm so tired of the strain, and I'm gonna hurt. Sometimes I can't. This here it just. Sometimes I just almost let my night go by. Sometimes I can't sleep at night, and this here it just don't seem right. And sometimes I just wonder why I almost let my night go by. Oh no. Hey, yeah. Rain on me, take from me. Said I don't wanna live, I don't wanna breathe, 'cause it just rain on me. Take from me. Said I don't wanna live, I don't wanna breathe. Yeah. All right, DC. I want y'all to do something out here with me tonight. Everybody take your phones out right now. Let's light the entire arena up right now. Take your phones out. Let's light this arena up right now tonight, y'all. in love and peace and unity. I just want to say, I'm so grateful to God to be here with y'all tonight. And I'm so grateful that y'all are here with me. It's crazy that we still living through a pandemic, y'all. There's a lot of people that didn't wake up this morning. So I just want to say how blessed we are and how grateful I am. And I just want to celebrate life and love and unity. Said, oh my ladies, make it rain, rain. Oh my ladies, make it rain, rain. Oh my ladies, make it rain, 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 rain. Hey, oh my ladies.